The Lord
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He make me lie down in green pasture. He leadeth me beside still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk in the shadow of death, in the valley of shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod, thy staff, they comfort me.
Mm-hmm.
Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemy. That anointeth my head, my cup runneth with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy she will follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house forever.
Of the Lord.
Of the Lord forever.
Very good.